Transmission.
Hi, my name is Chip and Chase, and today I'm here to introduce the characters to a play called the WacKy fAirYtAles. Here's Princess Highway.
Hello, I'm Princess Highway.
And I'm Night and Day, and I kinda like Princess Highway.
Woo. Oh, I am the manly fairy. Oh, and I will grant any wish of yours. Your wish is my command. Ding!
Wah-ha-ha-ha. My name is Which Way. Wah-ha-ha-ha. Thank you for me introducing all of these lovely characters. Stay tuned. Next time you can see a WacKy fAirYtAle episode.
Bye-bye! Oh! Bye-bye! Oh, I need beauty sleep.
Bye.